Welcome to Hiriketiya, a small beach town located on the south coast of Sri Lanka. In this captivating video, we take you on a thrilling journey through the mesmerizing waves of Hiriketiya Bay. Prepare to be enchanted by the stunning landscapes, the vibrant local atmosphere, and the exhilarating surf breaks that attract wave riders from all around the world. Join us as we dive into the heart of this surfing paradise and witness the magic of Hiriketiya through the eyes of passionate surfers. Have you ever dreamt of riding the perfect wave in a mesmerizing location? Look no further. Located on the breathtaking south coast of Sri Lanka, Hiriketiya is a surfing paradise waiting to be explored. Welcome to Hiriketiya Bay, where the magic truly happens. Nestled in a stunning bay surrounded by lush green hills, it provides the perfect setting for surfers to challenge themselves and showcase their skills.
Hiriketiya Surf Bay is located about 180 kilometers from Colombo to the south of Sri Lanka, in Hiriketiya coastal village that offers relaxing vibes for its visitors, regardless of whether they are there for swimming, surfing, snorkeling or just chilling. According to the locals, surfing in this quiet little town started not too long ago, recently in just a decade. Ever since, the deserted beach started to get busy with tourists each year, especially during its high season from December to April.
Hiriketiya offers more than just pristine, white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. It's a place where surfers from around the world gather to experience the thrill of riding its magnificent waves, making Hiriketiya Beach the perfect spot for a relaxing swim or a day spent lounging in the sun. Undoubtedly, this beach is much more chilled and laid back compared to other surf spots on the island.
The waves are perfect for surfers at all levels. The eastern point of the bay suits upper intermediate to expert level surfers, and the western side of the bay suits beginner level surfers just like myself. One of the highlights of my trip was taking a surfing lesson at Hiriketiya Surf Bay. Here, you can rent a surfboard for about 500 to 1000 rupees per hour, and instructor-led surf lesson starts at 4500 rupees.
The waves in Hiriketiya Bay are renowned for their consistency, making it an ideal destination for beginners and experienced surfers alike. Whether you're just starting to learn or looking for that next big wave, Hiriketiya has you covered. The town of Hiriketiya is small but vibrant, with a handful of restaurants and cafes serving up delicious local cuisine. I highly recommend trying the fresh seafood, which is caught daily and cooked to perfection. Beyond the waves, the beauty of Hiriketiya extends to its surroundings. Picture yourself surrounded by tropical greenery, palm trees, and shimmering turquoise water. It's a paradise for nature lovers and surf enthusiasts alike. As the sun gracefully sets on another perfect day in Hiriketiya, we hope you've been captivated by the beauty and excitement this surfing paradise offers. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or an ocean lover, a visit to Hiriketiya will undoubtedly leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime.
I cannot recommend Hiriketiya enough as a surf spot and an exotic travel destination. You can have one experience you could want in a beach town. Apart from surfing and beach lodging, Hiri has a lot more attractions waiting to be explored, such as Buddhist temples, some of the unique natural wonders, local markets and national parks. Join me in my next adventure as I continue to explore the most breathtaking destinations for passionate surfers around the island. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when my new videos drops. Thanks for watching.